Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make quinoa. Quinoa is a very good substitute for rice. It is rich in fiber and minerals, and if you want something healthy, then you are in for a good treat. So let's just get right into it. For the ingredients, you will need parsley, cucumbers, tomatoes, black olives, lemon, salt and pepper to taste, and you will also need quinoa. To begin, I will take 2 cups of quinoa that I will put into my rice cooker because that's where we're going to cook it today. Very easy and simple. I will rinse it, and after rinsing it, I will add water. The ingredients for this recipe will be found in the description box down below. After that, I will add more water, and after adding more water, I will cover it and cook it for 20 minutes on a rice cooker. In the meantime, I've already cut my vegetables. I diced them up, and I'm adding now lemon to it. And after adding lemon, I will add olive oil for seasoning. And then I will also add parsley because we are going to use all these vegetables to add to the quinoa. And I will put salt and pepper. I didn't put salt into the quinoa because the salt is going to come from the vegetables that we are seasoning right now. Once the vegetables are seasoned, my quinoa, it's been 20 minutes. It's now cooked and ready. So I'm going to put it into my container. As you can see, it's very hot and steaming. You can let it cool off a little bit. Once my quinoa has cooled off a little bit, I'm now adding my vegetables that are seasoned prior. Quinoa is very rich in fiber and it's very good. It's also a good substitute for rice. If you are in the mood to eat something different, then you can try it. It's that very simple and you can cook it in 20 minutes. You have your food ready. I hope you try it and let me know in the description box down below how you found it. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of the videos I'm making, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification to get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to share the video. Until next time, enjoy.